Y'all know what time it is. Vlog time. Anyways, forgot to say we're going to Dollywood. We're going for 4 days, so I'm gonna vlog each day. Let's get into it. This is the house. Welcome. First room, holy crap. I think our grandparents are gonna sleep in here. Second room to this side. Down here, the living room. There's so many views. Kitchen. Our balcony. It was insane, y'all. Look at the mountains. Holy crap. Upstairs. There's another room here. Another room right here. Look at the bear. Hello. The next room. Let's go up here. Downstairs. A little game area over here. Cool. Next balcony. I love, like, that's the tour of the cabin. I'm not gonna post any more for travel day because that's boring. I will see y'all tomorrow. Good morning. I'm gonna go eat breakfast and then I'm gonna go take a shower. I saw a bear. I'm gonna get ready. Hair's done. My mom helped me do it. It's time to do my makeup. I'll tell y'all the whole plan. Plan for today is that we're gonna go to Dollywood and they have like a firework drone show, so we're gonna go watch that. I'm really excited for Dollywood. I looked at some of the rides and food. I heard that they were famous for their Cinnabons, so I'm excited to try their Cinnabons. I've heard a lot of good things. I don't want to look like I'm doing too much makeup because it's all gonna melt off. I'm really excited to ride all the rides and eat the food. Like, I need to get it under control. Makeup is done. Fit check time. This shirt, Aerie, Halo, Lulu tank top, shoes, Nike. We're here. You excited? So much fun. It is hot out here. We're going on Thunderhead. I literally screamed my heart out on that one. He's shaking. Wait, rate the ride.
10 out of 10.
I'm absolutely sweating my butt off. What about you?
Yeah.
We're gonna go see the bird show. We just finished the bird show. Deep fried potatoes. These are hot and crispy. That is good.
Look at all the eagles.
You need to make me a promise. You promise to go on the next ride with me?
If I think I can. It depends on my...
Bad that I like this better than Disney.
No, it's not. We have this.
Whee! This is so much fun. We've been on a ton of rides, but like I don't really record all of them. We're going on Tennessee Tornado now. Cinnabons are so freaking good. Like trying their world famous Cinnabon. That is pretty good. I'm absolutely exhausted. These are good.
We have to walk by because we're gonna walk down.
We're gonna go on it. It's for little kids, but we want to go on every ride, so. And we want to get a good view of the fireworks. So are on it, on the acorn. Woo! That's so cool. We have like the best view. Wait, how many hours have we been walking around this park? 12 hours. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna get in the hot tub. Ignore the button. We're exhausted. At least the bathing suit's eating. Crunch in the cold. Pajama fit. Weird bun. I don't know where. My box. I'm exhausted. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Good morning. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna do my hair. Alright, y'all, I did some messy side braids and put a little hat on. Don't forget deodorant. I like my hair. Fit check. Aviator Nation, White Fox, Lululemon, Nike. And under here I have an ALO shirt. Okay, so y'all, the plan is we're gonna go on a hike by the waterfall. I've been up since 6 a.m., so I need energy. A branch literally scratched my face. I climbed up closer to the waterfall. Time to do my makeup. I'm obsessed with this Say blush. It's literally so good. I'm just obsessed with the shade of it. Fit check. Altered State, American Eagle, Birkenstocks. Oh my god, we're about to go see some horses. I never saw me drinking out of a brew. It smells like stinky horses in here.
The next day.
Good morning. We're gonna go to Pear Island. So yeah, see y'all there. Look at all the birds. The birds are so cute. That's the end of the trip. Thank you so much for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed. Sorry if it was a little short, but yeah.